Hello and welcome in Info Output. Today I am going to talking about the BBA course, in Tourism, Aviation and Hospitality, which is available in Siliguri College, which is attached to the University of North Bengal. This course is made by Avalon Institute, which is a very good institute in India. So let's look in the fee structure of the BBA courses. Okay, the BBA is available in Tourism, Aviation and Hospitality. Okay, the total course fee of the BBA is 2,54,250 rupees. Okay, 2,54,250 rupees. There are full fee structure available here. From the admission fee to enrollment fee, first semester fee, second semester fee, second, fourth, fifth, sixth, and all the total enrollment fee. All fees are summed together, and it is derived as 2,54,250 rupees. This is the full fee structure. Okay, this is the full fee structure. So there are some prospectus. So let's look in prospectus. Okay, this is the prospectus which is published by Avalon Institute itself in coordination with Siliguri College. Okay, so let's look. I will give the link of this PDF in my description box. Okay, so there is some presentation. We are skipping it. There is written as the aviation, about the aviation industry. What are the achievements of the aviation industry, and what are the future perspective of the aviation industry? These are basically written here. Okay, so there are career opportunities in aviation industry, such as cabin crew, passenger handling, air hostesses, customer service, cargo and transportation, in-flight services and security, fares and ticketing, load and trim. Okay, and in hospitality there are career opportunities like front office, F&B department. Okay, housekeeping, food production, guest relationship, and travel decks. Okay, in tourism industry there are career opportunities like tour leader, fare and ticketing, language interpreter, operation department, and start your own travel. Means you are after the completion of that course, you are capable of starting your travel agency basically. Okay, and there are some more presentation also. And the campuses. The campuses are located in two places: University of North Bengal and the Siliguri College. Okay, both in both places the campus is present. You have to choose where you want to study. Okay, and the syllabus in the semester for BBA program in aviation, hospitality, and tourism under University of North Bengal. So the syllabus of the whole course is presented here. Okay, there will be 6 semester. तो इसमें 6 सेमिस्टर होगा. ओके, देयर विल बी 6 सेमिस्टर. तो इन फर्स्ट सेमिस्टर देयर विल बी 4 पेपर: DSC 1, DSC 2, LCC 1 and AECC 1. Okay, DSC 1, DSC 2, LCC 1 and AECC 1. Please take a look in the syllabus. Okay, personal management, soft skill, personality development, and basically fundamental of aviation and hospitality, English language enhancement, and in AECC 2 environmental studies. Okay, and second semester DSC 3, 4, LCC 2 and AECC 2. Okay, so in DSC 3 you have to study about fundamentals of travel and tourism. In DSC 4 customer service and passenger handling, LCC 2 communication and presentation, and AECC 2 alternative English, Bengali, Sanskrit, Hindi or Nepali. Okay, I will request to take English. Don't take Bengali, Sanskrit, Hindi, Nepali. Okay, please take English as your AECC 2 subject. And then semester 3 DSC 5, DSC 6, LCC 1 and SEC 1. Okay, in DSC 5 aviation and safety and security legislation, DSC 6 principles of management, LCC 1 business language, and SEC 1. In SEC 1 there will be business organization and organizational behavior administration. Okay, there is written as total marks and total credit. Okay, please take a look quickly. Okay, I will give the link of this PDF in my description box. Okay, and then semester 4. In semester 4 you have to study about load planning and DGR. In DSC 7 paper, in DSC 8 paper front office and accommodation operation, in LCC 2 paper 2 communication and presentation, and in SEC 2 human resource development. Okay, in semester 5 you have to study SEC 3 paper, DSE1 paper, DSE2 paper, and GE1 paper. There is some difference in DSC and DSE. Okay, Please understand it. DSC, previously we were talking about DSC, here I am talking about DSE. Okay, in Sec 3 paper you have to study crew management in flight services. In DSC 1 food and food production. In DSC 2 business finance and hotel accounting, and in G1 business economics and elementary statistics. Okay, and in the very last semester, that is semester 4, you have to study 4 paper here. Okay, DSC 3, DSC 4, Sec 4 and GE 2. In DSC 3 cargo transportation and management, airfares and ticketing. DSC 4 tourism business and product. Sec 4 industry product, and Sec 2 India as a destination of destination cruise destination inbound and outbound. Okay, these are the total syllabus. There will be 120 credit and the full marks is 1800. Okay, these are the total marks. Then there will be some question how to apply. Okay, the application will be done by directly visiting in the office. Okay, there are some phone number of Avalon Shiksha Niketan. Please wait. ये देख लीजिए, ठीक है. Let's take a look. These are the phone numbers of the Avalon Shiksha Niketan. There is also a business email ID here, inquiry@avalonshikshaniketan.com. Okay, and there are office in the 2nd floor Vivekananda Club building, Horen Mukherjee Road, Hakimpara. Okay, in Siliguri. Okay, and there is a office in Kolkata also, in Kakurgachi also, CIT Road, at 250 by B. Okay, there are 2 offices. So if you are belong to North Bengal, to please visit that office. Okay, please visit the Horen Mukherjee Road Hakimpara wala office, and if you are belong from the Kolkata, please visit in Kakurgachi office. Okay, if any problem arises from this particular video, please comment down below and feel free to comment. Okay, thank you for watching.